Adding our first real stage. We did title stage, but like, where's the first place? So I'll tell you the theme of my game. The way my game works is that you're trying to escape your computer science class. You have this evil teacher who tries to make you do all of this work, and you're like, oh, I got to get out of here. So your goal is to escape from the classroom and probably the whole school so you can go home and relax, right? Not have to do all this darn work. So this is going to start in a classroom. So what I have to do is get my classroom image first. So I'm going to go to my good old friend Gemini. If we go here, okay, no thanks. And what we're going to do is say, give me make an image of an 8-bit computer lab for a high school. There should be students and computers and a teacher on the side of the room. The computers. Okay, that's good enough. Let's see what we get here. So I have to say I've upgraded to a pro version of Gemini so I can get lots of free images. I really love this app. It really does amazing things. Also, the image generation is so much faster than ChatGPT. This is good, but do it again, but from an overhead perspective. I kind of do like that one though, but it's a little bit too advanced. I kind of want that old 8-bit, like that's too 3D for me, right? And once again, we'll just wait this out. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Well, while that's doing that, I'm going to go back and do what I need to do. So I'm going to say here, let's load this up. So I'm going to say computer lab. Okay. So make my variable at the top here, right? So right where my variables are. I have to go to preload now. So I'm going to say computer lab is equal to load image. Okay, let's check back. I kind of like it, but they got to remove those thinking things. Remove the thinking things from all the computers, or the thought bubbles. Thought bubbles. Give it another shot. Come on, you got me. All right, when I get the image, we're going to come back here to the bottom. Now, a lot of people struggle with this, but I just want to say this. Look here, this is your title screen. If you're doing this all with me, this curly brace right here, which closes the title screen, is right here on line 55. To make my new level, it has to be underneath this title screen. We cannot put our levels inside of each other. So make sure that you find your final curly brace and go under it. And I'm going to call this function computer lab level. Okay, capitalization matters, L and L. I'm going to go with image computer lab. That's the name of my image, 00800 600. All right, let's see. Ooh, all right, I'm into it. Let's download this. Okay, I'm going to say comp lab. All right, come back here. Let's load this baby up. Upload file, comp lab. Excellent. Now we can bring it into here, complab.png. And let's see. Great. Now notice that it won't go to this level yet because remember, we have to add our conditional. So even though we loaded the image and we made our function here underneath the title screen, you do always have to make sure you go like this. If the level is equal to complab, then we're going to say the computer lab level. We're going to play that one with these parentheses. Now here's the deal. If I were to press S right now, so I press play and press S. Oh, comp lab. Remember, if you see this, either your image isn't loaded or you spelled it wrong. It's good to get those errors because I'm seeing, everyone has errors. So you can read the error here and it tells you there's a problem loading your image. That means it couldn't find the image. It's because I spelled it wrong. So good learning. I did just mess that up just so you could see it, obviously, right? All right, let's press play again. All right, if I press S, though, it doesn't take me that level. Let's explore why. When I press S, it changes the level to start, but this level is called comp lab. So either I could call this start, right, so they match up, or I think it's just easier if I go like this. And change this. When I press S on that first thing, it'll take me into comp lab. And let's press it. All right. Okay, so that's good. Now I need my main character, right? So I'm going to add my character here. And let's get that going. So I'm going to give me an image of a 8-bit high school student wearing a hat and a backpack. All right, let's see what we get here. Now I know I'm going to have to remove the background, so I'm going to go over here, remove.bg. While it's generated, let's be productive here. I'm going to go back to the top here. I'm going to say let student, right? Make my variable at the very top here. I'm going to go over my preload. I'm going to say student is equal to load image, student.png. Oh, I don't even know what the name of the file is yet. And then we will go here. I'm going to say image is of my student. See, I don't even need it yet. And where do I want to put him? I'm going to have him kind of like over here, right? Like he's trying to escape. So he's going to be right here on the corner here. I'm going to put him at 15,484. 15,485. I'm going to make him 100 by 100. Let's see what Gemini did. What a cool kid. All right, let's download that guy. Okay. Let's see if we can remove the background of that. Okay, let's go to desktop. Got our cool kid over here. Come on, remove that background. Nice. Okay, we got our main character now. I love that. I'm going to call this student. And let's load him into our game. All right. Beautiful. All right, let's see what he looks like. So, oh, forgot to do it. Load image. Got to put the name of the file. Student.png was the name of my kid. Man, keep doing that. All right, press S, and here he is. He's a little low to the ground, right? Not good. So let's move him up a bit. I think I did whatever. No, I think it should be okay. That's good. All right. Let's move him up to the top here. So I'm going to move him up just a little bit to 385. Let's play it again. Oh, that's good. Maybe it needs to be a little bit bigger, 150 by 150. All right. Not bad. I'm just going to move him back a little bit. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to press S. All right. He's still standing on a computer, which I'm not really fond of. So I threw like -50. Let's see here. You can use negatives. All right. All right, we're getting there, right? So this is my kid. There we go. Now we got to make a move around, just like we did last time. So I'm going to make a move around by creating two variables. Let x equal 0 and let y equal 0, right? Okay. Now we're going to add the x to here. So I'm going to say x plus -30. It's ugly, but it'll work. Y plus. All right. And like I've always told you, we're going to be real lazy here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to P5 Webinar. You guys could go on Google Class. Let's do it your way. So we'll go to, let's see here. All right, here we go. So you just go to your lessons. And it's key presses, right? The key press code is right here. I'm just going to grab it. Nice and free. Okay. And now my character should be able to move. S, and now he's moving around. All right, the last thing is we just need to make our hitbox. Like, what's he going to collide with, right? And we got to do a text box. So let's do a text box right here and tell them what to do. So I'm going to say this, text box. And I'm going to say, let's put it right here at 70. Let's put it right up here, 6540. So we're going to do a rectangle at 6540. Let's make it 200. Let's make it 300 by 100. And let's make the fill 200, real basic here. This is not good. I would suggest doing other ones. Stroke weight 5. And let's see. S. Okay, so I'm going to put some text up here. Okay, so we're going to say our text now. I'm going to say, oh no, the evil Mr. Beagle has assigned too much coding homework yet again. coding classwork. Time to dip. Let's get out of here by trying to sneak. By trying to leave through the front door. Okay. Now, where do I want it? I want it. Remember, I just copy these coordinates here. Okay, comma. Make sure you copy everything. These commas are important. So, comma. This is the position of the text. Now, remember, I got to move it a little bit over. So, I'm going to do 75, 50, 10, and 10. Let's see how this looks. Oh, way too much text. Well, I guess we could just make it smaller. So we'll do text size 10 or 12. And we're going to do font. Let's do fill 0. So we're going to get our, see if this looks any better. Wish me luck. All right, not bad. Let's move it down a little bit. So we'll go 60. And we can actually make this just a little bit bigger. Let's try that, 14. It's all trial and error. Let's say this. All right. I can get a little bit more there. So I'm going to go 16, hope for the best. Too much, 15. And this is the trial and error period. And we get there. All right, Mr. Evil. The evil Mr. Beagle has assigned too much coding classwork yet again. Time to dip. Let's get it here. We're trying to leave through the front door. Okay, let's try to do it. And that will be the front door. Oh, you can't see it because of my text box. Okay, I'm going to subtract 50 from each of these. Make this 25. Now, obviously, your numbers should all be different than this because this is just like my game. Like, you're going to have to put things in different places, but you get the point. So let's try to get him to the front door right there. All right. So for the next lesson, this is it for this. We have developed our new one. We can get to the front stage. We got to start doing collisions or key presses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another video with collisions and key presses on changing stages. Okay? But that's it for this one. Hopefully that was helpful.